Shall we start? Hello, hello, hello. Shall I start? Oh, hi, hi. Let me share my screen. Hello and welcome. Today we have uh, who are the participants here? I mean, let me look at the participant list. Yeah, we have One here, Deepa Based and Deepthi Gupta. Welcome you all, and thank you very much for providing these. Hello, is it audible? Can you hear me? Yeah. Oh, okay, thank you. So thank you for giving me this opportunity, providing this platform for me. Hello. So let me share my screen. Okay, I think this looks nice. I think no hurdles. Okay. Graphics looks nice. Yeah. Okay. Fine. Then let me. So hello, welcome. Today I'm going to show you a new tool that we can make use of. Okay, today's presentation I'm going to take you to a wonderful tool on Google. So can you see my screen right now? Can you see my screen? Hello. Okay, fine. Yeah, yeah. So yeah, okay, fine. And I'm going to take you to Jamboard. Have you seen Jamboard? Jamboard. Let me click Jamboard icon here. Jamboard is very much like the tool we use for sharing platform like Padlet. So it's the Google's counterpart to Padlet one. So Jamboard is really very useful for us. We can share collaborative tool. We can share all kinds of visuals and text here on Jamboard. So this is the home page, landing page of Jamboard, my home page. You too can check in Jamboard, and all of you are familiar with Jamboard. Hello, are you familiar with Jamboard? Okay, so you have to use it. I mean, after I think branch, we can have Jam too. Okay, so let's look at Jamboard. So this is the Jamboard, and let me create one. Let me create one. Okay, let me click this icon. When you click the plus icon, just like Padlet, we have an icon on the right. We can find it on the page, the plus icon. And when you click the plus icon, you will see the new Jamboard for you. Let me select one. Yeah, I just continue so that I can record it. Let him do what he likes, like that. Okay, thank you. Okay, so when you click, yeah, when you click the plus icon, you will be taken to the new Jamboard. This is the new Jamboard I have created, and so you can have a look at the top icon here. This is the way how we can see the Jamboards. This is the Jamboard I have created. On the left, there are icons. These are the tools we can make use of. This is the pen. You can use pen to write on the Jamboard. This is very much like a whiteboard. You can use it very much like a whiteboard. This is the icon that you can make use of to move your images. You you can this icon create you can make create sticky notes. So for example, let me click hello and save it. And this is one sticky note. And I can create We can make vocabulary games with Jamboards. So create so many sticky notes, and all the sticky notes will be saved on the Jamboard. So now I have created 2 sticky notes, and you can take these sticky notes anywhere else in this on this board. So you can move it around. And this with this icon you can add images on the Jamboard, and images can be searched on the Google on the internet. You can search for images, you can upload it, you can search from your Google Drive, and from your Google Drive you can select almost all documents too, photos, documents, images. So all these things make Jamboard very nice tool for us. So it's almost like Padlet wall or Wakelet. And so this is the interesting, the last one. You can see the last one. One second. This one is the laser light. When you're making presentations, you can make use of the laser light. So I'm taking the moving around the laser light. So you can take all these. You can point out the icon for highlighting the issue, the topic you like to highlight, show it to the audience. So Jamboard is really wonderful. Let me show you create another frame. So we can have more frames. We can have more. So right now I have got 4 frames on the Jamboard. You can create wonderful backgrounds too. Maybe you can create the blue, different color frame. Let me show you. This is one icon I have used. One second. This is the background just now I created just now. You can create different types of backgrounds. You can have even black or clear frame. So for example, if you want to clear the board, you can use this. So Jamboard gives us lots of opportunities to explore collaborative platforms. I hope you listen to my presentation, and please come out with your valuable comments and try out Jamboard. You will find it very useful in your classroom with your students. Thank you for watching.